I'm Shubhas Basu on behalf of Gram Vidya Mangalore Center. We are conducting, we like to give you an idea what we are doing over here. Last 2 days, yesterday we started and today, last 2 days we are working on a workshop on alternative building technology. The idea of alternative is that it is something which is not the regular kind of buildings that we see, and in this case we are trying to see how we can offer you a building material and technologies, the idea which can be applied in the construction for the future and for the present condition. Now, Gram Vidya is an organization working for quite a few years from 80s, and we do this training program regularly in Bangalore. Now, this is a center of Gram Vidya in Bangalore, and we are offering this thing every alternate 3-4 months. Here, the idea is that we have sessions like classroom sessions where we explain the ideas and show through slides and videos, we try to explain the ideas. But we have nearly 50% of our time we spent on hands-on, where we expose the participant to participate in making the blocks and construction with their own hands, so that they get the experience to translate these ideas. The participants usually comes from the background of architecture, civil engineering, contractors, even the masons, and there are people, those who have come from rural areas with a farming background, and people like a doctor attending the course with interested to build his own house, even a trader who likes to learn about this ideas and techniques. So we have a wide range of people, those who are trying to learn about these techniques, and perhaps once they go back they will be able to practice or influence others to work on it.
Yeah, so we came here for the workshop, and we are getting to learn more about alternative construction techniques in this modern world of extensive use of concrete and cement. We can reduce the
carbon footprint.
Yeah, we can reduce the carbon footprints. And yeah,
we need to get back to our older traditions where we had much more sustainable options available. And in this race of concretization, conventional and modern type of setup, we have forgotten most of the, the sustainable techniques that our ancestors has followed. So this workshop is one such thing where you can amalgamate up traditional techniques and the modern advanced
technologies. Yeah, we are getting to learn about all those techniques, and we'll inculcate in our designs as well.
Anybody, whoever is interested in alternative methods, not only we being as architects, anybody who's interested in mud architecture or a sustainable way of living, this is where they begin, because a house is where everybody lives. So that has to be the beginning place.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಮೋದ್ ಅಂತ ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಂದ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸೋಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಮಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಅರ್ಥಕ್ವೇಕ್ ರೆಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಥರ ರೂಫಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಮಾಹಿತಿನ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಬೇಕಾದವರು ಖಂಡಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಿಯಾಲ್ಗುತ್ತೂನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಹಂಚ್ಕೋತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಸೆಂಟರ್ಗೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.